Have I got Kelly here?
Yes, Judge.
Splendid. That's a very good start. And Justin?
Yes, Judge.
Splendid. Now, this is a case about money and love. Isn't that right, Kelly?
Yes, Judge.
Sort of. And how well would you say those mix, Justin?
Very well for a period of time.
Yes, well, I'm going to say money and love very often mix like oil and water, or Judge Rinder and the stupid. Understood? Not well. Now, in fairness to you, the reality is that you have done your best for a long period of time to be in a good quality relationship, true?
Yes.
Now, how long were you in a relationship with Justin for?
Just under 6 years.
Just under 6 years?
Yeah, month in it.
You were counting the months?
Yeah.
And towards the end you were counting the days?
Yes.
At some point, Justin comes to you to borrow some money, isn't that right?
Yes, Judge.
In fact, the total is £3,233.
Yes, Judge.
Why does he want to borrow money from you?
He asked me to take out a loan in his name. He said he couldn't get one himself, which at the time I didn't question why.
So you go along to Kelly?
Yes.
And what did you ask Kelly to do?
I asked Kelly to take out the loans through a bank for me for the computers, just to see if she could get them based on her credit rating.
Now, here's the thing. What did Justin tell you the money was for?
He told me it was for, gosh, I don't know what to say. It was for a MacBook Pro and an iPad.
That's fine. Now, why did he want those two things?
I don't really remember as to why. I know that he was doing a business alongside his current employment at the time. He was doing a bit of work on the side. But he also kind of pointed across for me to... We were planning to move in together, a mortgage, and I hadn't had a credit card, ever taken out a loan. He said, I've got credit cards, I've got a good financial credit rating. It'll be good for you to get your credit rating up.
Absolutely right. You could get your credit rating started, subject to you having a loan.
Yes.
And more importantly, he said this was going to be an investment in his business, which he, to his credit, was doing on the side from your ordinary work. Nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
Bearing in mind you're going to give it to him, you put in writing, I give you this money and you have to pay me back. Where is that? Where can I find that document?
It doesn't exist.
Why would that be?
At that time, we felt that there was no need to write those sorts of things down.
Absolutely true. What am I going to do about it?
I may not have evidence of him saying that he will pay me back. However, I have emails confirming that he will. And in my bank statements, it actually says Justin MacBook Payment.
I have seen that.
Yes.
And that's very helpful. This £3,233, did you buy that equipment?
I did get the two computers, yep.
And how did the business go?
It started to go off really well. I did actually start pulling jobs in. I had two business ideas at the time. One was for a car audio business, and the second one was to get out of the job that I was in at the time and start my own IT company.
And how did it go?
The audio business started taking off really well. The IT business was difficult because circumstances changed. I had to go to a new place for work, so it became difficult.
Fine, that's a debt, £3,233 you get into. It's his liability. And what was the arrangement? How much was he going to pay back each month?
The arrangement was... one loan was for £30.55 and the second loan was £44.45. He made 14...
No, don't tell me about it. Let's take it in stages.
OK, he was paying £45.
No. You would give him £3,233. Is that in one go?
No, sorry, that's what I'm trying to say.
It's over a period?
Over a period. One was a 3-year loan, one was a 4, which I've just finished paying. One was £30.55p, the other was £44.45. That was both loans per month.
That's what you had to pay back?
Out of my bank account.
Yes, I understand that. That's your liability.
Yeah.
What was your arrangement with him? How much was he going to pay you?
He was paying me £45 per month.
In other words, as soon as it came out of your account to go to the loan provider, it would go from his account to yours?
Yeah, he would pay into my bank.
Fine. Very sensible. Now, that's fine, but that's a lot of debt for you. Tell me about the car insurance.
Car insurance, Justin recently passed his test, and being a male under 25 is quite a large insurance amount to pay. His new business on the side, he needed to go to people's houses fixing computers. So I said, until you can afford a car yourself to insure, you can get insured on my car.
Right, so you agreed to put him down as a named driver.
Yes.
Splendid. How much was it?
It was an addition. I was paying an additional
£531.84, perhaps?
Yes.
Why are you paying his car insurance?
Well, he should have been paying me back.
Right. Well, that comes after you've extended him this loan.
Yes.
Had he been making repayments at the time you also agreed to front up for his car insurance?
At that time, it was on and off. It wasn't a steady every month
Well, if it's
payment.
not a steady every month, why'd you agree to get into further debt for him?
I ask myself that question often. Stupidity, naive, being nice, I guess.
Why aren't you paying back the regular amount you've promised each month?
At that time, I was up and down with money, so I may miss 1 month's payment, but then the month after I would pay it. And at that time, we also had a joint gym membership, of which I was paying Kelly's half.
Now, the point is, that's your reply. There is a debt. In total, you extended him credit of £3,764.84. Now, let's come to your reply. I've been through the bank accounts, and it's true to say that he did make 12 repayments, right?
Yes, Judge.
In total, which is £540. Well, why haven't you paid the rest, Justin?
There was also cash repayments.
Well, that's true. 3 cash payments of £100.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen them. Those went into your account. That takes us to £840. You owe £3,764.84. What was the moment when he stopped paying? Let me have a guess.
He wasn't continuously paying into my bank every month. It was only
But he
tend to be when I
stopped
reminded him.
entirely?
He
When did he stop entirely?
When I got into a new relationship.
Quelle surprise. In other words, the two of you broke up, right? For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.